When we think about volcanic activity, bubbling mud pots, steaming fumaroles, hot springs, vibrant color, and vast open landscape, Yellowstone National Park often comes to our mind. But there is a park in California that has all this on a mini scale. Lassen Volcanic National Park. Located about 200 miles north of San Francisco, the drive to the park is already worth the trip. As we cruise through this gorgeous fall landscape, we are surrounded by the vibrant colors: yellow, orange, red, all of which make it like a living piece of art. Inside the park, food options are limited, but just outside, there are restaurants and places to stay. In a month, this place will be covered in snow and will be used for skiing. Our first stop is Sulphur Works, just a short walk from the parking lot. And wow, what an intro to the Lassen's volcanic activity. Check out these steaming fumaroles, boiling mud pots. You can miss the bright yellows, oranges and reds from the sulfur and other minerals bubbling up next to the road. The smell of sulfur fills the air, reminding us just how active this place is beneath our feet. As you drive deeper into the park, don't forget to pause and soak in the amazing views along the way. This entire place feels like it is alive with color and energy. Every turn you take offers a breathtaking beauty, so prepare to pull over and capture it on your camera. Make sure to stop for a quick breather. You won't want to miss the view. Next, we are heading to Bumpus Hill, just 8 miles from the south entrance. This is one of the park's main attraction, and the 3 miles round trip hike is totally worth it. It is around 8,000 feet in elevation, so if you are not used to take it slow. Today the fog and the clouds are rolling in, giving the trail a mystical vibe.
It's what happens with sulfur ground, it'll collapse in your... Such a bad one.
The bubbling hot springs, the wild sulfur smells, and the steaming landscape make this place feels like another planet. It is stunning and a little eerie. Heading over to Lake Helen next. Most of the year, this lake is frozen and covered in snow, but in summer, it turns into a crystal clear mirror reflecting Lassen Peak. Unfortunately, today it is rainy and windy, so we are missing out on the glassy view, but it is still gorgeous. We are ending our day at Upper Meadow, one of the most peaceful spots in the park. Imagine wide open landscapes, serene streams, and a backdrop of towering mountains. It is the perfect place to stop for a picnic. Trust me, after hiking and exploring all day, you will want to take a moment here to relax and soak in the tranquility. If you have more time, consider hiking Lassen Peak, a challenging 5-mile round trip that rewards you with sweeping panoramic views from the summit. While it can be cloudy and windy, the breathtaking scenery makes it worth every step. Devil's Kitchen is California's second largest hydrothermal area and offers a unique look at the volcanic underbelly of the Lassen Peak. Boiling Springs Lake has a striking grey-green color and the surrounding soil is red. The lake's temperature is kept around 125 Fahrenheit by the steaming vent underneath. For those curious about the Lassen's volcanic past, a visit to the devastated area will provide insight to the park's fascinating geological history. A popular camping ground, picnic area, and the Loomis Museum, perfect for swimming and fishing. And that's just a glimpse of what Lassen Volcanic Park can offer. There's so much more we could not get into today, but if you are into geothermal landscapes, volcanic activities, this park is a must visit. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Until next time, get out there and explore. See you in the next video.